Volcano erupts in Ecuador for the first time in 140 years. Massive plume of ash as Ecuador volcano erupts. A volcano in Ecuador that has not erupted in nearly 140 years belched a column of ash 8 kilometers high on Friday, prompting officials to raise the alert level. In addition to the 5-mile plume, several explosions erupted in the course of the day, the Geophysics Institute said. The Cotopaxi volcano stands 5,897 meters, 19,500 feet high and is 45 kilometers, 30 miles, south of the capital Quito. Orders have already been given for 1 million surgical masks to be distributed across the city of 2.3 million, Mayor Mauricio Rodas said. The Geophysics Institute said Cotopaxi is one of the most dangerous volcanoes in the world because of the large amount of snow at its peak and because nearby areas are densely populated. The last time it erupted was in 1877. The government's emergency management agency raised the alert level in areas near the volcano to yellow, which is in the middle of the scale. The Environment Ministry declared the volcano off limits to tourists. 15 climbers who were preparing to scale the mountain were sent home. One mountain guide who was in the area during the first explosion recounted tourists' panic.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmeme.webs.com.